I've been talking with a lot of brands lately about AI agents. And well, there's this big gap between what they want to do and what they can do right now. I thought today we could have an honest conversation about whether your brand is actually ready for AI agents. Because the truth is, most aren't. AI agents are ready to work for you today, but only if they can actually see your brand's data. And that's where most companies are stuck right now. Your valuable data is probably locked up in like a dozen different Shopify apps. And you're still thinking automation means setting up basic old school Zapier workflows. Let me walk you through what's really holding you back. So, first, if your data is trapped in SaaS silos, you've got a problem. What this really means is that you can't vector search across emails or understand how customers connect to products. And the quick fix, export everything, standardize it, and get it into the proper storage systems that AI can actually use. Second, if you still think automation is still just old school Zapier workflows, you're missing the point. Workflows just move data around. Agents actually reason and they need memory and feedback loops. Third, where does your brand knowledge live right now? In people's heads? PDFs? If your voice, tone, best offers, and buyer personas are invisible to AI systems, they can't help you. Fourth, no structured feedback loops means you're just shooting in the dark. You run campaigns, but never feed those outcomes back to improve your models. Fifth, workflow gaps. Your agents can't see inventory levels, heat maps, session recordings, or why customers are returning products. And finally, you're still thinking about roles instead of agents, like having an email person. That kind of thinking limits you to just copywriting bots. So, what do you actually need to do? First, you need to liberate all that locked up data. And I mean all of it: customer profiles, orders, product catalogs, media assets, email campaigns, segments, reviews, support tickets, heat maps, session recordings, ad performance, all of that. Each data set needs to land somewhere and AI can actually use it. That might be a vector database for semantic search, a graph database for relationships, or a data warehouse for metrics. Let me give you an example. Your customer profiles from Shopify, those need customer IDs, emails, tags, lifetime values, last order dates, and they should land in both a graph database and a warehouse. Why? Because the graph shows you who bought like who, and the warehouse powers your reporting. Once your data is freed, that's when the magic happens. You can build agents that do things that were literally impossible before. Imagine an agent that writes emails similar to your past highest performing campaigns, or one that detects cart abandonment in real time and sends personalized messages about those exact items, or an agent that finds influencers whose style matches your top performers, or one that monitors your return rates and automatically updates product descriptions to prevent common issues. The possibilities are endless, but only if you free your data first. So, are you ready for AI agents? If you need help making the leap from dashboards to AI agents, Agentic will map your stack, liberate your data, and build you an agentic workforce that actually drives results. If you'd like a discovery call with me about your brand's current setup, DM me on LinkedIn.